Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with a brand new product for review. And in today's video we are going to review a paneer from the brand Milky Mist. So guys, this is a paneer which is cottage cheese from the brand Milky Mist, and today we are going to review this paneer. So let's start off with the packaging of the product. This paneer comes packaged in this plastic pouch right here with the Milky Mist branding right on top. It says paneer right here, pure vegetarian product. Nourishing cow's milk, made from nourishing cow's milk. Net quantity is 200 grams. Here the illustration of the paneer cubes is shown right here. Ingredients of making this paneer are milk solids and vinegar, uh, which is a very good thing. They are using vinegar and milk solids. Many brands I've seen they use milk solids and citric acid. Here they are use vinegar to like make the paneer. Nutritional facts are given here. And the MRP of this paneer is rupees 128 for 200 grams. So that is the MRP of this paneer, but it's available in DMart on an offer of 1+1, which comes up to like around 64, 65 rupees for a packet, which is a good thing. Moving on, let's open this pack and then check out the paneer inside. So when you're storing this paneer, make sure that you always keep it refrigerated at 4 degrees Celsius or below. So guys, now we'll open this paneer and check out the paneer block inside. That is that. So we'll just cut it open right now. So I open the paneer block, and this is how the paneer looks from inside. I'll just take out the block. There's a bit of the paneer water that comes in, and this is how it is. Creamish color paneer right here. A Milky Mist, a nice big block of paneer. So this is how it comes. You can chop it and put it into your recipes. So it looks very good, very nice and firm, soft to the touch paneer. Now we are going to cook this up. I will fry a few cubes and see how do the paneer come out. So let's see the softness of the paneer and the texture and the taste. I'm going to quickly do a taste test. So stay tuned for that.